What's the meaning of big-hearted? Big-hearted. Big-hearted.
Big-hearted. Big-hearted. The term big-hearted is often used to describe a person who is kind, generous, and compassionate. A big-hearted person is someone who possesses a large and open heart, full of empathy and love for others. They are typically selfless individuals who put the needs of others before their own, and they often go out of their way to help those in need. People who are big-hearted tend to be positive and optimistic, and they radiate a warm and welcoming energy that draws others towards them. In short, a big-hearted person is someone who has a deep and genuine care for others, and who strives to make the world a better place through their actions.